What's up? How are you?
Alright, how you doing?
Good. You alright?
Yeah, I'm fine.
What are you doing out here?
I took a nap and then now I'm on my way home.
You're on your way home? Well, you're going to have to call somebody to get you. Because obviously you're under the influence of something, right? Okay, well, you got marijuana right there beside you.
Yes, but that doesn't mean that I'm actually on it.
I can smell it.
Oh, okay, that's fine.
It smells like burnt marijuana. Your speech is slurred.
I just woke up.
Okay. Well, I don't feel comfortable with you driving. Okay, so I would like you to call somebody. Is there anything illegal in the car? Do you have any, do you have an ID on you? Do you work here?
No.
Why are you here?
I just stopped by to go to sleep for a little bit and then I woke up.
Okay, do you have an ID?
No, I don't.
Do you have a driver's license?
I have it at my house.
But your license?
It's not their fault.